In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable dark mode on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then just tap right here to go to your TikTok profile page. Then tap at these three lines and go to settings and privacy. Here we are looking for an option which is called display. We need to get into it, and that's where we can easily switch TikTok app theme between light and dark simply by selecting one of these options. And also we can activate this option, use device setting, to make TikTok app theme based on our device's theme settings. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.